Tired of dealing with persistent health issues? Maybe it's time to take a dive into orientation and energy circulation of your home. 33% of your energies are influenced by the spaces you live in. That's why, despite working hard or trying to improve certain aspects of your life actively, there is a disconnect in wealth, in health, in emotions or relationships. If you want to break through this, we are having a workshop on the secrets of Vastu and Feng Shui for success, prosperity and health. I am S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, and help 1,000+ clients prosper by simply improving their spaces. If you're someone who's looking to grow and prosperous in all the fields of your life, I invite you to my workshop where you will learn the potential root cause hindering your growth and prosperity due to spaces. 10 secrets anyone can use to improve 75% energies of their homes and workspaces. What is Vastu and its importance to 10x health, abundance, relationships and emotions. 5 ways to balance positive and negative energies in your home and workspaces. Health issues due to imbalance in Ayurveda in your spaces and how do we balance that. Importance of Vastu in our lives and much more. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life with the right spaces and the right energy.